The new kit, they're mixed with a little bit of retro, with a little bit of comfort, and a little bit of style. They look well fitted. They look like something that will take the market by storm.
Greetings sports fans, welcome back to Edivision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now Adidas has finally launched the Jamaica national team kit. Yes, the jerseys are out, people. Go and get them. Finally, we've been waiting, we've been getting the teasers, we've been praying, we've been hoping that the kits would turn out looking good. And we're here today to give our quick reaction to these kits. For me, I love the home kit. I'm going to definitely get the home kit as soon as possible. I like the design, the stripes, the fit looks good. The away looks good as well. But definitely the home kit is doing it for me. It's bossing, and I hope the fans enjoy the kits. We can't wait to get them, and we'll be looking on the Adidas website, trying to order our jerseys as soon as possible.
J Taylor checking in for Eddie Guna. Just a quick little reaction on the kit. I think the kits are looking amazing. The home kit, typical Reggae Boys in Reggae Boys fashion, yellow with the stripes, Adidas. I think this is a really cool vintage look. Love the dark blue, love the black with the Bob Marley red, green and gold around it. I think it will give Jamaica a new vibe, a new energy, and I'm looking forward to seeing the girls. I think they will take the field first in this kit, in their friendlies, and I think it's a good look for Jamaica. I love the choice of colors, I love the details, and they did an amazing job with the design. That Jamaica logo is sitting very nicely on the chest, and it's a good look for Jamaica going forward. And thank you guys. Eddie Guna checking in. Eddie Vision. Bless.
The new kit, they're mixed with a little bit of retro, with a little bit of comfort, and a little bit of style. They look well fitted. They look like something that will take the market by storm.
Yeah, good morning, peeps. Based on my opinion, it's a good look. I like them, the black somewhat new, but sometimes you need a difference. You need a little difference sometimes, and it neat. I just like the design, nothing too fancy, nothing too extra, just right. And then you have the traditional black, green and gold, with a different design. Trust me, it look good. Yeah, man, green light for me. Green light. Yeah, reggae girls.
I think Adidas surprised us on this one. I don't think anyone saw the blue coming in. I think the blue was an X factor. I think that one will be flying off the shelves. The yellow, that looks really good. That's going to be something amazing to see the boys running out in the stadium. And I'm sure they're going to be training kits coming in as well. I think these jerseys should fly off the shelf because they're very trendy. They're very fashion forward. Also, they still have those simplicity that Adidas tends to go with their designs. I think it was well done. It was well crafted with the culture in mind. And great job by the Jamaica Football Federation for acquiring this sponsorship, because for a long time we all thought that it's time we move on from Umbra, and Adidas is probably the new way forward. Eddie Vision checking in. J Taylor.
So you've heard it, people. Jamaicans reacting to Jamaica's first Adidas kit. What you guys think about the Adidas kit? Drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me know. And always remember, like, share and subscribe.